and welcome back to my channel. So I am filming after a pretty long time, and today's video is a pretty exciting video. I just came back from Westside and I decided to film a haul for you guys because it's a pretty huge haul. In this video I'm going to be showing you everything that I shopped in the past 1 month. I went to Lifestyle, I went to Westside, I shopped a bit from Ajio.com, and I had a pretty great experience there, so I'm going to be sharing my experience at Ajio. And I also shopped like a little bit here and there, so I'm going to be sharing all of that with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you happen to enjoy this video, you guys can give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. And without any further ado, let's get started. Before we get started with the haul, I want to tell you that this haul is a try-on haul. So all of you guys have been asking me to do try-on hauls, and I finally did one. So I film my own videos, and this one is also filmed by me. So yeah, I hope you guys still enjoy, and I tried my best to film a good try-on haul. So I hope you guys still enjoy. And yeah, so before we get started with the clothing haul, I'll show you guys what are the non-clothing items. The first thing is like the accessories by Lifestyle. So the first thing is a loofah. It's called a bath ball. It's in the shape of a baby dino. Lord DIY fans would relate. So yeah, I got this loofah, and this one retails for $149. Along with that, I got a pair of tweezers. So they came like 2 of them in a pack, and I gave one to my mom. So this one was for $199. So that's a pretty great deal for a good pair of tweezers. Next, I got the Dove Natural Touch Dead Sea Minerals deodorant stick. Now this one retails for $220, and it's really great, so this works really well for me and I'm loving it. Next, I got a shampoo that I've been really wanting since a long time. This one is the OGX Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo. It retails for $725, and it is sulfate and paraben free, which is great. It's SLS free, so that is great, and it smells heavenly. So if you guys want a review on it, do tell me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to do one for you. Now let's move on to the clothing. So I just came back from Westside today, so I'm going to be showing you all of that right now. So let's first start with shoes, because I love the Westside collection. I basically shop my shoes only from the Westside brand, which is Heads Over Heels. The first one are these pair of mules, which are navy blue in color, and this is how they look. And yeah, I got these. This is the first pair. The second ones are my favorite pair, which are a pair of sneakers in military green, and this is how they look. And these sneakers are for $1499, and I got them for $1499 without any discount. So these are how they look, and I love them. Like, I'm totally in love with them. And the last pair of footwear that I got are Chappals, like sandals, and this is how they look. They're like a nice colorful pair of sandals, and I totally love them. Alright, now let's move on to clothing. So I basically just went for footwear, but then I ended up liking clothing, so I bought this. So I have a try on haul, don't worry, just stay tuned till the end of the video. So the first thing is this A-line dress. I don't know whether this is A-line, I don't know. So I got this cotton material, really nice Indo-Western dress, which you can wear as kurti, as a dress, or as a shrug. So this is the first one, and it's really long, comes a little above your ankle. Nice, and I'm loving checks these days. So yeah, I'm going to wear it as a dress. The next thing is from the men's section. I love shopping from the men's section because it's really large on me and cozy and comfortable. So next I got a cardigan from the men's section. This is how it looks. It's my favorite color. It's this really nice warm toned color, and it's really huge on me. I can literally just wear it with leggings, shorts, or literally nothing, and it's great. So it's this huge, and it was only in the size XXL, and it was for $8.99, but I got it for $3.99. All the prices will be down below, and you can check it out. Next, yeah, that is all I got from Westside. Now let's move on to Lifestyle. Alright, so the next thing that I got is from Ginger. It's this spaghetti dress. So it looks a little complicated, but it basically just gets crossed at the back, and it will all be in the try on haul. Just remember to stay tuned till the end of the video. It was on 50% off, and it was originally for $7.99. Please do the math. The prices will be down below. And yeah, I actually got this to pair up with my kimono that I got from Lifestyle as well. This one is a very oversized kimono, but it's very pretty because it's black and floral. So this one is from the brand Nexus in the size 18. It's full sleeves and pretty and floral. This is how it looks. It's very pretty. It's long, high-low, pretty and long. It's really nice. It's sheer. So I got a spaghetti dress to pair it up with. Next from Lifestyle, I got this bodycon t-shirt dress, and this is how it looks. It comes a little high above my knee, and yeah, I got this in the size medium just in case you need size reference. It's all available online, by the way, on lifestylestores.com, so you can buy it. Again from Ginger, the price was $7.99, so it's pretty affordable, and yeah, I got this. Next I have a kurti which I will wear as an Indo-Western shirt dress. So yeah, this is from Fame Forever, and this is how it looks. It's quite sheer though. So yeah, this is how the kurti shirt dress looks. It's a color combination that I don't really have. Alright, so next I shopped from Ajio, and I bought one thing from the women's section and two things from the men's section. I also happened to return one thing back from the men's section. So the customer service is very nice, the customer care is very nice, they're very polite. They shipped my order in 2 days, and their return policy, the return people also came in 2 days. So it's very fast even on the sale season. So they had 50 to 60% off going on, and even during the rush they were very fast. So thumbs up to them. I would totally recommend the site. This is not sponsored, just by the way. So yeah, I got one thing from the women's section and two things from the men's section. So this is the first one. This is a graphic t-shirt which is mint green with a watermelon print on it. I got for $250. The next thing is this graphic t-shirt, again a steal. I think this one was only for $200. So I got this one. It's a pink t-shirt and it has a graphic thing going on out here, and I love it. Next I have this t-shirt from the women's section, and it's a nice striped t-shirt with a patchwork detailing going on here which is floral. So I am totally in love with it. And yeah, I think that is it. And yeah, those are all things that I bought. Now let's move on to the try on haul. to my channel if you aren't a subscriber already, and if you're already a subscriber, you can go and hit the notification bell button. That will just notify you every time I post. I know I was MIA, but that was just because I was ill and I just needed a little time off on the internet because I wasn't feeling that good. So yeah, but now I'm back in action and I will film a lot of more videos. I have a little giveaway coming back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!